Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. So said Steve Jobs, and we agree. This two-family building in downtown Jersey City needed an upgrade in both aesthetics and functionality. Before, the ground-level apartment had an awkward layout. It had 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths, but it also had plenty of tight spots and 2 small spaces. We completed a full gut remodel and transformed the apartment into an inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit with a much more accessible layout. The crisp, clean, and modern style includes fine finishes, detailed tiling, and eye-catching patterns too. Here's what the homeowner had to say. Tammy and her team were prompt, professional, and simply fantastic. They provided great options for bathroom fixtures, kitchen appliances, flooring, doors, etc. They turned a renovation nightmare into a walk in the park. Tammy and Niall kept the team on track. I highly recommend them and would love to work with them again. Do you want to create a home that you'll love living in? Visit www.hprnj.com or call 201-682-8766 or 845-630-8677 today.